Hi guys, I am excited because I just received the Simon Says Stamp card kit for April, and I always think their boxes are so cute with the little dog Simon on there. But I'm excited because this has got some extra special goodies in it this time. So let's get this open. Let me get rid of the box. And we'll take all these goodies out. They always come with a little lollipop. I always take that out because last time, first time I got a box I didn't, and I had ants everywhere. So it's the first thing I remove, take to the kitchen. So let's look. The set is called Brushed Flowers, and it includes a clear stamp set, which always has a nice stamp set, 6x8. This is the exciting part. It has the Simon Says Flannel ink cube holder with a junior mesh zipper bag and 4 new card kit exclusive stamp positively saturated ink cubes in Lucky Ocean Rose and Citrine, 1 jar of Simon Says Stamp clear embossing powder, 1 Simon Says Stamp teal small blending brush, 6 double-sided sheets of paper, then some cardstock. So look at how cute these are. I love the little flowers. They always have a little sheet to show you, give you some examples of cards. So look at how pretty this color is. What color does it say it? Doll, as in baby doll. Pink cardstock. Black cardstock. And then Nina 110 pound solar white cardstock. This is Nina in 110. This is 100. These are both 100. They are pretty thick. I love the black with the pink together. That is awesome. All right, so that's cardstock. And then we've got some double-sided paper, like that blue. That's pretty. Then we've got distressed stripes, another flower pattern, squares, another squares, another floral pattern, little geometric kind of shapes. That's a pretty one. I love this color. It looks good with that hot pink. And then butterflies. $5 off your next order. I like that. Oh, a pearlescent. Looks like it's the same color as this cardstock envelope. So I am pretty excited about this. You know, I have the Positively paw, which holds the ink pads so they don't slip around when you're ink blending. But I'm pretty excited to have one of these also to try. And this little bag is so cute. Oh, look at that. That is so cute with the paws in it. Yep, and it doesn't move. Nice. Very nice. Now, I'm curious. I've wondered this before with all of them. If everybody's cubes are the same. So these are the ones that came with the kit. The Simon Says one, Citrine, Ocean, and Rose. These are Concord and Ninth. And they look the same. So let's see. Yep. They fit in perfectly. Nice. Nice, nice, nice. So I'm pretty excited about that. I've gotten quite the collection of the mini cubes because I bought all of the Pink Fresh ones because I'm doing a Pink Fresh virtual event next month. And I've been to several of their virtual classes, and they use a lot of colors. And so I ended up buying all of their little mini cubes because it'll be a lot easier. So I'm very happy with this. So we got this new holder. We got Fine Detail Clear Embossing Powder by Simon Says Stamps. One of their mini brushes. I'm pretty excited about. Then we've got the pads. And then Brushed Flowers is the stamp set this time. And this is just so pretty. You are so special to me. Sending hugs. Love you from afar. You're the best. Thank you for everything. Just a note to say hello. And then you can do thank you for being a friend. And love you. And, oh, let me see. Missing you. And thank you for everything. Thank you. And I love you. You're the best. Lots of love. So you can mix and match different sayings. But these flowers are so pretty. Let's take a look at the flowers here. Look, they're so pretty. That and that. Oh, and I like the way they did this on the black. Really nice. Love this. Like fern. I love all of these. Can't wait to use them. Oh, I like this one. I like them all. I like them all. So anyway, so that's it. I'm excited. I'm excited for the stamp set. I'm excited to try their ink pads. This is a great way. I've been getting, besides the Pink Fresh, I've been getting different little mini pads from different companies just to try their inks to see if, you know, any of them are better than the other and better than what I've got ink pad wise. So, all right, well, that's it. This is the, like I said, the April kit. Brushed flowers. I'm pretty excited. All right, so let me know in the comments if you subscribe. If you got this one, if you've used it yet, let me know. Let me know. Let me know if you've tried their inks before. I think I got one in one of the kits, and it seemed nice and juicy, and for blending, and I think it worked really well. So I'm anxious to try these other colors. So, all right, so that's it for this time. Thanks for taking the time to watch. Thank you if you're a subscriber. If you're thinking about subscribing, you can hit that little subscribe button, and also hit the bell, and you'll be notified anytime there's a new video. And if you like the video, if you would please hit the like button, it would mean the world to me, and it makes YouTube happy. So that's it for this time. Until the next time, stay safe, stay well, happy crafting, and I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.